Today I have a huge haul for you from Artisaire. I actually went onto their website just to buy one teeny tiny little wax seal, and I ended up just buying everything on their site. I just couldn't stop myself. Everything there is so cute. So let's go through all the products that I got and why I bought them, because there are other places that sell the exact same things for much less, but I think the quality and what they offer at Artisaire is superior to the other ones that I have used in the past. I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. Now, today we are looking at all the things I bought at Artisaire because I could not stop myself. The first thing was I bought a wax seal. Now, this seal was $37.50, I believe. Yeah, that's right. And it uses one of their pre-designed sort of things. It just says thank you. I could have had a custom one made. I don't know how long that would have taken, but this whole order was really quick. I think I got it in 3 days from the time I ordered it to the time it arrived. And I did order it on a Sunday, and I made a small error in my order. I specified the wrong handle type, and she wrote me back right away on Sunday. So excellent customer service and fulfillment. Now the next thing I ordered was a wax seal kit. What I really wanted was this wax spoon. So it is it's not made of wax, it's for heating wax. It's made of brass, which means it's going to conduct heat better and more evenly, but more importantly, it can sit across my candle like so. So I don't have to worry about holding it. And because it's so shallow, it's going to heat the wax more evenly than some of the deeper ones, or sometimes if you use a spoon, spoons aren't evenly, the spoon materials aren't evenly distributed, so some parts will heat up faster than others, or be at a different temperature. It does make a difference when you are making seals. Obviously, if you're just doing it for fun, it's not a big deal. Maybe it doesn't make that big of a difference for you, but I do this professionally for wedding envelopes, so I wanted something that looked really nice. Now, all of this together with a pack of wax seal beads was $110. This candle is probably the most expensive one. It's a rewind candle. And I know you can't smell it, but it smells just heavenly. Like, it doesn't smell like the cheesy stuff that you get at, I won't even name candle companies. I don't want to be mean, but I don't like the flowery stuff. I don't like stuff that smells like pumpkin and like all those other things. That just isn't my style, but I do love this one, which it says it is lush red fruit balanced by floral undertone. I don't know what that means, but it just smells like very calming. It smells very fresh and happy and just magical. So I'm really excited about this. Plus, you can actually, once you're done with this is a soy candle, so you can reuse this. And the reason I say you can reuse it is because when the soy melts, I don't know if you guys know this, it kind of just takes it away from the glass, so you can reuse this glass container, versus sometimes it kind of just, I don't want to say burns, but the wax is kind of stuck there, and then you can't put a new candle inside that holder. You just end up throwing that whole glass away. So that's kind of nice. It's recyclable. Also, what's interesting is all of their wax beads, they say, are made from recycled materials, and they're high quality and they're beautiful. So I got 3 different colors, which kind of reflect my style. I got the rose gold, I got champagne, and I got antique gold. Now, each of these were $22.50 to get one of these. And remember, one did already come included with my wax seal kit with my candle and my spoon. And then I bought a ton of samples, which I'll show you in the unboxing, but I just wanted to see what they look like and what the sizes were, because you could order a ton of these at $22.50, or you could just order the sample, so then you could see in real life what it looks like. Because again, when you order things or you see things online, especially with wax, there's a huge variation in the quality and the type of wax, and also what the wax looks like and how it performs when it is on different paper surfaces. So let's take a look inside. Here's a little thank you card from Artisaire, as well as their hashtag and handle. So everything came with this sort of wrapping tape. Cute little picture of I guess a sealing wax spoon. So this is directions on how to use the sealing wax spoon, which I was really excited to get. Now the wax spoon, I know people think you could just use a spoon at home, and I have tried that before, but honestly the wax does not heat up evenly, and if your wax does not heat up evenly, your seals just don't look as nice. And I know that sounds minor, but I want to have a really beautiful seal if I'm going to do all the trouble to create a wax seal. So you get another one of these, and this is the spoon. And so the nice thing about this, they had one that didn't have this end, but I got it with both so it could lay across the candle just like that without me having to hold it the whole time. So that was huge. And it has this cute little sort of cloth on the side because it does heat up over here so that you can hold it. And this must be my wax seal. Get my scissors so I can open this. And this has a cute bag that it comes in. And you get wax sticks. Now this is my wax seal, and it says thank you on it. So I thought that would be a cute wax seal. I know you can't see it, it's very tiny. So if in comparison to my hand, this is really, really small, because I know sometimes when you see the videos, these things just look massively huge because it's such a close-up video. Self-adhesive wax seal. So I just wanted to check these out to see what these were like. So this is if you don't want to go to the whole trouble of having a wax seal kit and melting wax. You could just take these, and these just adhere onto basically anything. So you could just stick that onto an envelope, and then it looks like you have done a wax seal, even though you have not. So these are cute. It looks like I got 5 of those. All right, next, these are wax. It's wax, so I got champagne, I got rose gold. They look very similar, and don't worry, I'll test these out so you can see them. And I got antique gold. Now, the next set is, and obviously they have a ton of different colors, but these are just kind of more of my branding colors and my style. So over here, we have a test pack. I shouldn't say test pack. I think it's called their, what do you call it? Seal kit. So that a sample pack, that's what it's called. Why can I not think of the word sample? But if you're wondering what these look like, because it's really hard to tell online, I would strongly advise buying the sample pack, because this is only $10. I'll show you on video, but still it's sometimes hard to see. I'll lay these all out for you. So these are sample packs, so you can see what every color looks like. And you can also see what all the wax seals look like once they're I guess pushed onto wax, because she has so many, she, I'm not really sure who's in charge of Artisaire. They have so many different designs, so that's obviously a monogram, another monogram. And these are the different colors. This is a little icon, same thing over here. And I can't even read this. Oh, with love. And this one just has more, it's more monograms. So those are those colors. And these are the adhesive wax seal samples. I think these were, no, I lied, those were adhesive as well. So you could use all of these samples. This is W, this is their, I believe their branding and their emblem. And over here, and I didn't even tell you that, this is, what color was this? This color, actually it didn't even tell me what color it was. This one is the rose gold, which is the one that we have the beads in. So it looks like that. And let me find it. And here, this is what the beads look like. So pretty similar. And over here, now, so this is different sizes. So it comes in tons and tons of different sizes when you buy not the wax seal, not this itself. This only comes, I think, in a couple sizes. But when you buy the pre-made wax seals, they come in different sizes. So over here, we must have the smaller ones inside here. So if you can see this, it goes from smallest to largest. over here. And then if those aren't big enough for you, they have even bigger ones. So over here we have these massively huge ones. Over here, I guess if you're sending something large or you just want it to sit maybe on a bottle or a box or something else like that for branding and packaging, we have these. Can I even fit them in the shell? Yeah. So these are nice, big, huge ones. So let's see what else we got. So we also got, these are what are called the organic edge. All right, so the organic edge, and this is the artisan edge, and this is the modern edge. So they have 3 different edges. Let me try to open all these. And so the modern edge, you can see, is just nice and clean. So it comes just like that. The organic edge is kind of just, they're trying to say this is however the wax may land. And then the artisan edge is kind of like what you think of when you think of medieval ages when they used the wax seals, and it has more of a fancy sort of evenly distributed, I shouldn't say evenly, but there's extra wax all around. So this one took the least amount of wax to make, and this one took the most. All right, so there we go with those, and let's see what else. All right, so I did get the candle that they sell. I think it's actually, I think this is it. So it comes nicely packaged, so you don't have to worry about your candle breaking while it's shipping. And in fact, this is shrink wrapped onto the wood. So in order for me to get it off, I think I'd have to cut all around it. There we go. All right, and look at that, it has a cute little wax seal over here. So did you love that haul? It's like your dream haul of wax seal stuff, right? Equipment, kits, materials. But let me know in the comments below, like, what wax seal company do you use? And as soon as you get into wax seals, I don't know if you guys are into them, but once you get into wax seals, you kind of have like a company you favorite and that you really like. The one I used is no longer in business, so I had to find a new one. So super excited to try these out. And I did try these out in Thursday's video, and I mean everything. I tried out the wax seal stamp, the waxes, I tried out the candle and the spoon, so you can see all of that in action on Thursday's video, and it's compared against a generic wax on Amazon that was like less than half the price, so you can decide for yourself which one is better for you. All right, I hope everyone's having a great weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.